Well, what is our project today? We're in the bathroom, my favorite place, And good grief, it looks like we've got all kinds of stuff here. And look at it. You notice anything? There's no toilet paper holder over there. And I'm going to install this toilet paper holder. Are all toilet paper holders created equal? Absolutely not. This one is slightly different than most common ones. This does not have a set screw on the side of the end pieces. No little screw for an Allen wrench or a small tiny screwdriver. It attaches a different way. And hey, if you want to see how to install a toilet paper holder such as this, stick around. Now, is there any rhyme or reason as to exactly where to put it on this wall and the height and how far in front of the toilet or behind the toilet it goes or anything like that? Not really. I had Mommy come in here, and Mommy came and she sat down, she held it up there and she put her hand up over here and she said, that's where I want the center of it. Okay, so I've got to figure out how to get that installed, and that's going to be the center of the towel, of the paper, of the toilet paper holder. So I'm going to have a bracket here and one over here. Okay, yeah, I got a level here. Yeah, stick around, I'll show you how to install this.